Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the first atom of each group. Group I SCH3 first atom is S, atomic number 16. Group 2 NO2 first atom is N, atomic number 7. Group 3 CCH first atom is C, atomic number 6. Group 4 CH to C6H5 first atom is C, atomic number 6. Moving on to the next step. Rank by first atom atomic number. S 16, N 7, C 6 is equal to C 6. So group I S has highest priority, group 2 N has second highest, and groups 3 and 4, both C, must be compared further. Moving on to the next step. Break the tie between group 3 CCH and group 4 CH to C6H5. For CIP rules, multiple bonds are treated as phantom atoms, duplicate atoms. Group 3 CCH, the triple bond carbon, is treated as C bonded to C, 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 phantom atoms, I, C, 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 at first carbon. Group 4 CH to C6H5, the CH2 carbon is bonded to H, H, C, to H's and 1 C of the phenyl ring. At the first carbon of group 3, attached atoms are C, 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 from triple bond expansion, the actual bonded C plus to phantom Cs. At the first carbon of group 4, attached atoms are C, H, H, comparing the substituents at the first carbon in decreasing order. Group 3, C, 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 group 4, C, H, H, at the first comparison, C versus C tie, second, C versus H, C wins. Therefore group 3, group 4 in priority. And for the final step, compile the priority order from highest to lowest. I, S, 16, 2, N, 7, 3, CCH, 4, CH to C6H5. 4, 3 to I. This corresponds to option B 4, 3, 2, I. Why other options fail? A, I, 3, 2, 4 places I lowest and 4 highest, which is incorrect since SNC, C, 2, 4, I, 3 places S, I, in the middle, which is wrong since S has the highest atomic number. D, 3, 4, 2, I places 4 before 2, but N, atomic number 7, C, atomic number 6, so 2 should be higher than both 3 and 4. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.